Welcome everyone. Today we are going to create this simple wall-mounted bracket in SolidWorks. We will use sheet metal options and whole wizard to make this part, so let's get started. Make a new file, select part. Keep your units in millimeters. Look here for sheet metal options. Select Base Flange and then select a plane to draw a sketch. We will choose front plane for now. From line options, choose midpoint line. Starting from origin, draw a line. And then from smart dimension, give it a length of 25 millimeters. Exit sketch here and we have some options for the base flange. First, flip the direction, then keeping the end condition blind, enter a length of 25 millimeters. Then here you can enter the thickness of the sheet. We will keep it 1 millimeter. Now go to Edge Flange and select this edge here and drag it upwards and click anywhere. Now from here, select the end conditions to be blind and enter a length of 50 millimeters. Keep the angle of 90 degrees. Repeat the same process for this above edge. Select this edge, keep the length of 25 millimeters this time. We will make edge flange again. Select this edge and move it downwards. This time keep end condition up to vertex. Select this vertex and see how this sheet will go till this vertex only. Now change this angle to 70 degrees. To bring down the edge of the sheet parallel to face of the other sheet, we will choose the option of parallel to base flange. Now the other side of the bend is tapered at 70 degrees and also parallel to the starting face. Select edge flange for last face. Select this edge. Drag it forward. Now to make this face straight, we will choose the face option here. Click on select face and then choose this face. You will see that now the face is parallel to the starting face. Enter 25 millimeters. Now provide some fillet to these sharp corners. Choose these edges and enter a radius of 12.5 millimeters. Now we have to create holes to mount this clamp on the wall or any other surface. For that, we will use the hole wizard options. Select the simple hole. Then choose the metric threads. Drill sizes and keep the size to be diameter of 6 millimeters. End condition up to next. And click on position and then select this face. Then look for the center of the circular edge and click on the center to create the hole. On this face we will create slot. So select the face to draw the sketch. Look for the slot options here, and choose the center point straight slot. From the edge of the circular edge we will get the center point. From this center draw the line upwards, and then drag the mouse to left to create the slot. Enter radius of 3 millimeters, and distance between center to be 4 millimeters. Then go to Features and extrude cut this slot up to next. Now on this face we will holes using hole wizard again. Select the simple hole. Drill size to be 4 millimeters. Click on Position and select this face. Click on this face 2 times and 2 holes are created. Now we will provide dimensions between these holes. Center distance to be 10 millimeters. Draw a center line and then select the center of these holes and make them symmetric. From the edge to center of the holes, enter distance of 6 millimeters. Our mounting clamp is now ready. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe to this channel.